This is a short vid on wirecutter stripper and tubing cutter project. So everything about this is backwards from a normal machine, but we'll see how that goes. First, we start with a drilling fixture, so I can drill a lot of different parts like this. And then the welding fixture. This part here is already drilled and tapped, and this is a way to get really great precision off of welding. So why is this backwards? Well, usually the carriage has holes in it and it rides on rods, but this one has rods for the structure and those are guided by holes. All these have to do, though, is keep the carriage from rotating on the screw. So, what else is backwards? Well, we've got a brass block that's going to be slid around on the two axes. And so, since we have a brass block, we got steel gibs. This is what it slides on. It's fixed at a perfectly perpendicular by virtue of the jig I made fixture. And then this here is one of the steel gibs, which gets tightened as necessary by these screws here. And when that's adjusted for no slop on sliding, it gets screwed tight through these holes of this part, which is welded beforehand, but that's how you get to see what's in it. And then on this side is just a plain strap of 1 inch, which I don't have cut, and after that goes one of these parts that will be welded. The screw will pass through here, and we have drive nuts specially made on the mill here. This is a set of 4 drive nuts. That's for 2 machines. There's 2 axes like this on each machine. So each of these parts, the pairs are bolted together like this, and then the center hole here right there is tapped with a 1/4 20 left hand thread, and then when you want to adjust any backlash, you tighten these 2 screws here and it squeezes it together on the threads of the screw and removes all slop. And that's it for now.